It is blue and yellow, but it's okay with blue and pink.
Yeah, the blue, they only had blue, pink and pink on the website and all that. So that's why I just got this one like that. Ooh, ew, you can see your nose. Okay, bye-bye. You can hang up. You can press the mode button on the top. And that's all. Then I hang up here. Okay.
Welcome to Mel J. Val's Playtime. Today we're unboxing Video Walkie-Talkie children's toy.
So I bought it from TikTok shop. Everything was like $20-something because of shipping.
Parent-child interaction, exquisite and compact. Video intercom, clear sound quality, one key switch, strong signal, easy to use, voice changing function, super endurance. These are the different colors they have. It is pink, blue, purple, yellow, and other. Let's open it. There's a blue one and a pink one. Which? Yellow one. Hello, are you there? Because I'm calling you. Maybe this is lanyard.
The lanyard to put it.
Guys, this is the charger of the walkie-talkie.
Comes with 2 chargers. So that's where you fix the rope.
You do it like this. Slightly turn it up. Now do it. Slightly turn it off like this. Up.
Slide it up. Good job, JJ.
To interact. First, we got to turn this tape off.
Maybe it's connecting to each other. You see how I stopped it? Turn it up and on. It's not a screen touch. Select with the side button. And I think when you press here, it chooses the album, which there's nothing here. But we'll go back on the mode. This is the mode. And then you select back here, this. So that's when you're connecting to the other one. You press the mode to go back. No. So we'll select. So that's the video. This is the video. So we'll press up here to go back. Let's see what's there. We'll select with this one. And this is the music. Select with. All right. So that's my music. Let's press the bell. So select music again. back to music. And that bell. So it's just 4 of them. Happy New Year. So go to this one. So that's to record it. So that's recording. So you press it and hold it. Hi, where are you? Good morning. So how do we play? So let's go back to the album. Let's select to the album. Go in.
Still no
Oh, I thought it
pictures.
to show us what we recorded. Okay, let's connect to the other one. Let's go back to mode. And this one is the same thing. So you try the same things here. So I think because you're ringing, somebody has to pick. Let me press it to pick. So I press it. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Oh, I think we'll have to. Let's see. We'll hold it to say hello.
Hello. How are we doing?
So I'll press and hold it. Hello.
Yes.
I can hear you. So press this side. Press that side and hold it. And talk. Press and hold. When you finish talking, you leave it.
Hello. I'm doing well.
Okay. Hello. See, it's not talking because I didn't press it. So I have to press. JJ, can you see? Press and hold. Hello. Then I leave it.
Yes. Oh, I'm just doing fine.
Okay, thank you. See, it's not talking until I go. So yeah, let's go far. Stay there. Stay there. Let me go far. Let's see how far you can move. Yeah. You're still over there. Can you still hear me?
I can still hear you.
Okay. So I'm going, I don't know how many yards, how many feet I'll call this. All the way there. See, all the way there. Can you hear me? Wait. Can you hear me? Maybe talk louder. Okay. When we press it together, we can hear. Now, you can talk. It's your turn.
Oh, try, bud.
How about now? Can you still hear me?
I can still hear you.
Okay, good. That means from upstairs, and someone is upstairs, we can play and then you hear. So you guys should see.
Jenny, how are you? Oh. Jenny, how are you? How are you, Jaden? Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.
Turn it on. Hi.
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 How are you?
Oh, sorry. I'm fine.
Awesome.